So as you can see, I have a lot of these crocus. I don't know if these are wild or if my mom put these a long time ago in this old garden. But this is at my home, and I want to take these up to the farm because we don't really take care of this garden anymore. So I'm going to be pulling all of these out. We got these purple crocuses, and then I believe we have some tulips, and there might even be some what do you call it, hostas in here somewhere. But what we're going to do is just take those from now, and all we're going to do is transplant them. So this is going to be a real easy video. We're just going to pull them out, get them in a bag with some dirt or something like that. I'll leave them outside until Friday, and then I'll take them up to the farm and put them back in. As long as Rosie here doesn't crush them all. All right, buddy? There we go. And then we got one little bulb here. Really easy to retransplant, you know, big deal. So let's get the rest of them and we'll get out of here. Okay, so I went to take out the tulips there, but I didn't get down far enough. So I found that I had cut off the ends of these right here, see? See, I cut them off, and you obviously don't want that. But what I did find was the bulbs. So I dug a little deeper, and I found all the bulbs. So there's a whole bunch of bulbs in here. So we'll just take the bulbs, and we'll go through it, and we'll be planting them up at the farm. Now over here, these are just dried up ostrich ferns, and you get fiddleheads from here. So after they've done their fiddlehead, I'm going to come in and I'll remove these. And in one of my other videos, I mentioned how on the back of my property now by the creek, I want to put a whole bunch of ferns down there so that once a year I can go down there and collect fiddleheads and then put them in the freezer if we can't eat them all. But I'm hoping to get enough that there'll be a big bag of them in the freezer and we can use them throughout the year. These are next. All right, this is the haul I got right here. I got this one, and then I got this little extra over here. I need a little more room. I didn't want to shove it in there. So we don't know how much. I don't know how much is going to survive. I tried to get down as far as I could. Some of the bulbs were missing, so I do end up with a bunch of bulbs that I'm going to have to restart. But that's fine. Free bulbs. We're not using them here anymore, but it's time to take some color up to the farm. So if you like my videos, don't forget to smash that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm always looking for a conversation, so comment below.